19 and I'm going to go on a bike ride for the 5th time. Yay. So here is, I've been pedaling so fast already, so that's why I'm so tired. Anyway, this is our first spot. Look how beautiful it is. Look at the turbines going, even though it's not that windy to me. Oh wait, it is. So let's explore more. This is our second spot. As you know, we're going to approach the sunflowers again. And wow, what the heck happened? As you know, as you can see, it's already been they've already went with tractors and combines here. So I think they've got ready for next year. Now we're gonna go over there. Epic transaction. Now we are here. This is amazing. And our goal is to get to that first curve there. We are now getting closer to that house down there, but our goal is to go down there. Another transaction. We are now at a different area, past the house now, but whatever these plants are, haven't been harvested yet, ever since I did the first bike ride. And let's do more. We're nearly there. All the way there, we need to go. So let's go. By the way, I just managed to go over there. However, I forgot to record, but anyway. This is sure beautiful. Just look at this. Anyway, let's get back. Oh, over here is the power station that I've possibly showed you last time. And oh, wrong camera. Let's do another transition. Why am I saying it wrong?